And welcome back into my channel Learn Tech Philo. So today we are going to discuss something so similar to if else if statement which we discussed in our previous tutorial. So if you never watched our previous tutorial, please check for it. Right now in this case we are going to discuss something very important, and it's very simple concept, so remember to watch every second of this video. All right, now we are going to discuss switch statement in Java. All right, so we'll have something of this sort. So this is just a comment whereby we'll have a switch, we'll have an expression, then case one. So this one called block of code to be executed. This is called block to be executed. So this is all right. Now we'll have case one whereby we'll have the block of code to be executed, then we'll have a break. All right, case 2 we'll have the block of code to be executed, then we'll have a break. We have case 3 to be executed and a break. Then finally we'll have now the default and a block of code to be executed. At this point we don't insert the break. We'll see the importance of the break and also the cases and the switch. All right, now you can have as many cases as you wish, so it's up upon you. You choose how many switch you want according to your program requirements. All right, now before we get started and give an example, then let's discuss these terms. Right now you can like, subscribe to my channel. For references, please check the description part. Now in this case we've said that in this tutorial we are going to discuss switch. So switch is used to execute one block which is true among many blocks in a program. All right, now and as you have seen in that our syntax, we have shown there that this is switch is used to declare, it's declared at the start of the program. All right, it's used to compare the value of each expression. All right, then we'll have now break, which is used to show the end of each case or block of code. Then we'll have also default. So default is used to show the block of code to run if no case that matches. All right, now break, the use of break is so important. The use of break is so important actually. So break is keyword is used to break out. All right, so this one is used to break out the switch block and save some time wasted on execution the whole switch block. When the match is found or certain condition is met, now the break is used to end the execution and testing of code. All right, now as you have, hope you have understood. Now as you have seen here, that break is used at each case, so it's used to end each case. All right, it's used at each the end of each case. All right, now let's have an example to illustrate the same. Let's have an example. So these are just comment, you can just delete them up to a, yeah. So this is just a comment, you can delete up to there. Then you'll have now, let's have something like num int, then you can give it a value which is 3. Let's give it a num and 3. All right, then we'll have switch, you'll switch through what, through num. All right, then after that you'll have now to insert the curly braces. Then we'll have in between here, you'll have case 1, you'll have case 1. Case 1 you can give it a value which is okay, you can have s out, and then you can say this is number 1, this is number 1. All right, then we'll have, after that you'll have now to break. Right, you'll have now to break, then break you use a semicolon. So check here well, so this is a full colon or this is a colon, then this is a semicolon. Right, so this is a semicolon and this is a colon. All right, then this one is just to use a semicolon there at the end. So this is the first case, so you can just copy all this, then just paste. All right, so you can paste. So that is case 1, love case 2, Then at this point you just insert 2. This is case 2, this is 3, right? You change this one to number, this is number 2, then this is number 3, right? Now after that you will need now to write the default. You can have the default here, right? This is default value, use as colon, then you'll have now the right the code of block to be executed. So this is s out. Okay, let's say this is system dot print line. All right, then there is no case that matches, right? There is no case that matches, then you use a semicolon there at the end. Right, hope you have seen what we have seen here. So this is now a whole program. You see now that you've defined a value here, num3, right? This is num3. We'll have first one, so this is 2, this is 3. So in our this example now, it's just saying this one matches to this one, so we are expecting that to print out this is number 3. All right, now let's run our program. First of all, you save, then after saving you'll need now to click on the green button to run. Finally, this is number 3 is printed out and build success. Right, this is number 3. All right, now as you have seen that this one matches to this one. Let's change any of these cases, and or we change here. We have defined here, let's change to something like 6, right? So as you've seen in our cases here, there is no number 6. All right, now if you try to run, then the default part is executed. There is no case that matches. All right, so let's save and I click on run. All right, now you see here it is printed out. There is no case that matches. Build success. So that's all about switch statement. You can just change your your variable name here. You can just use very different thing. Let's say for instance here you can change to something else like string. You can change it to string, by the way. Then you can change it to the value here. You can change your value. So see, now that's all about switch statement. So guys, remember to subscribe, like and share, so you can try on yourself and see how it works. So for the full course you can check the description part, and let's meet in our next tutorial whereby we'll discuss in the loops. Right, thank you, bye bye.